Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron and welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to fix us some breakfast this morning. This one, this is a really good one. Come on. Here's what I have. I have my Dash Mini Waffle Maker. I've got pork rinds. I've got baking soda, a couple of eggs, some cheese, and I'm putting on a skillet with a couple of slices of the uncured Black Forest ham. I think we got this one at, we get this at Costco. But what I'm making is a breakfast sandwich full of protein, low carb, delicious. It will fill you up and keep you full for a very long time. First thing you're going to do is put our egg in a bowl, and we're going to just mix it up a little bit. You don't put any, this is actually going to be for your bread, so don't put any liquid in here because definitely would get too runny. Alright, there that is. Scoot this over just a little bit. You better go ahead and plug your waffle maker up and let it be warming up. If you got this one, if you don't, they've got several different kinds. You can take the big one if it does the 4s. Just do 2 of them. Yeah, it'll work fine. Okay. Let's do it. Now, this is pork rinds, as I said. And what you do is you can buy these already done, or you get your favorite pork rind from your grocer, and you grind it up in your food processor, which is what I do. And it only takes a few seconds. But that's a tablespoon, and then we're going to do half a teaspoon of baking powder to give it a little lift. And we're going to mix these up really well. Now, don't worry about this pork rind thing here. You're not going to taste it. As long as you don't put too much in there, you're not going to taste it. It's a really, really good way. Now, oh, also, if you don't want to do the pork rinds, then just use a tablespoon of almond flour. Be sure and get everything mixed in together really good. It's kind of hard for me sometimes to get the baking powder to go ahead and mix in there. You can use a little whisk if you want to. Now, let me flip my ham over here right quick. Now, we're going to do half of this at a time, or close to it. I like to spray my waffle maker with non-stick just when I first start to use it, each day when I first use it, so we don't have a huge disaster on hand. Just pour that in there and swish it around. And just close it down and let it cook until it's completely done. You may want to let it do another half cycle just so it gets a good crisp on the outside. Or you can throw it in your waffle maker. Yeah, in your waffle maker. You can throw it in your air fryer when you're done with that. I'm just frying them on top of each other. It's the easiest way for me to do it. Give it another flip. Lift my ham off. Look at that. I really do like uncured Black Forest ham. So delicious. Put a little non-stick on there for my egg. I'm not even washing the skillet. It's all going on the same sandwich, so you don't have to worry so much for that. Now, fry this however you want. Okay, you fix your egg. If you want it scrambled, then scramble it. If you want a little bit of the yolk to be like a medium. Then you do that. This is your sandwich. I'm just showing you how to make it, okay? This one's mine. I'll be eating it, but I'm just showing you how to make it. And again, it's a good way. I'm putting me a little bit of pepper on there. I'm not going to put the salt. I was going to, but I'm going to put some cheese on there. I'm going to skip the salt. Okay, you talked me into it. Just a little sprinkle. There we go. Back around here to our mini waffle maker. Look at that. Doesn't that just cook up so pretty? And I'm going to just go ahead and lay my ham on it. And we're going to go ahead and put the other bit of the egg mixture in there for our top part. Spread it out. Always spread it out. It'll spread a little bit in there on its own, but you want to make sure and do that spread there. Okay, back to this. Back to hiss is what I almost said. But yeah, cook your eggs any way you want to. Now the next thing I'm going to do is, you don't have to put cheese on this. And again, whatever breakfast food you want, you know what? You can put fried bologna on there if you want to. It's yours. If you like fried bologna, you may as well, right? But, yeah, let's put us a little bit of cheese on there. I want it to go in between the egg and the ham so that it melts really good. Our egg is cooked. Flip it one more time. I'll take that little piece off of there. There we go. Get that on there too. We're almost done. Almost. All right. Let's check and see. Oh yeah. Look at that. All right. And here is our sandwich. Now I will tell you, there is something you can add to your batter, your egg batter, your egg mixture. I don't know what to call it. Whatever. If you want to, that would make this a really good sausage McGriddle. That's right. Put you a little bit, you take what you've got, you know, with your mixture that I just showed you, or as I said, you can put a tablespoon of almond flour in it if you would rather. But put you just a little bit of maple syrup in there and mix it up. And you can buy some of the maple sausages. Now, here's my favorite. This is not sponsored in any way, but this is my favorite. I just love these. Look at that. Chicken and maple, and these are some of the best sausages. My granddaughters, yeah, they love them with their pancakes. But you can take those and put it on there, put you an egg on it, and you have yourself a sausage McGriddle that's very high in protein, super low in carbs. Oh boy, I think I'm gonna have that tomorrow. But if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope that you will. Click the subscription button and the notification bell so that you know every time we put new content on. And I just want to thank you, friends, so much for joining me today. Oh, you want me to take a bite? Let me see if it's cooled down first. This is so good. The flavors, wonderful. Again, you're not going to taste those if you put just a tablespoon in. You're not going to taste the pork rinds. But if you like pork rinds, that's okay too. But there we go. Delicious. If you try this, let me know. Again, you don't need the small waffle maker. You can use regular waffle maker and cut it in half, quarter it, however you want to do it. But this is a delicious, delicious breakfast. And it's going to keep you full all day. But you all take care. And I'll see you next time. Bye now.